Good day, I'm Sheldon Pitalbero and I will present the PTC mission, vision, and core values. So let's start. Mission: Pateros Technological College commits itself to provide quality higher education through specialized professional instruction, provide training in scientific, technological, industrial, and vocational fields, enhance moral and spiritual values, instill the love of country and appreciation of the Filipino cultural heritage. After educational opportunities, especially to marginalized individuals. Heighten student creativity and leadership through extra and curricular activities, and produce quality graduation attempt with technological skills and professional education. Vision: Pateros Technological College envisions itself as an institution of higher learning which is strongly committed to the holistic development of the student to improve their lives in particular and the society in general. Core values: responsibility, creativity, integrity, committed, compassion, excellence, and environment concern.